Ladies, gentlemen, people of the world of Book of the Face, Rastamouse is here to bring you sports section. Right, so couple of things I want to tell you about sports section. It's going to be a little bit longer than the snappy videos we've been doing previously. First off, timber knee sliders. It's not a revolutionary new thing, but we've proper been having it away with these people. Why? Because your racers love them. They slide faster, they don't grip, you get proper feel through the track, through the knee. Speak to any of our riders, Joe Sheldon Shaw, Zach Cordroy, Sean Neary, and the list goes on and on. Hannah Somers, Stefan Hill, Nacho Chilero, World Supersport, all the guys use these. Why? They last longer. Yeah, you get a nice little puffy kind of smell, the bit of burnt wood. People think the bike's going to blow up, shut off, you get a faster lap time. Everyone's a winner. So, timber sliders, that's one, right? All of a sudden, I feel like a second-hand car salesman. Here's two, it comes in beige. Right, entry level, race suit from Held. Yes, it's a race suit. It's not a road suit. We don't do road one-piece suits. We do race suits, people. This is called a Rush. Retails out $704. Cheap as the proverbial chips, right? Plastic shoulder armour, it's got the Sastec behind it, Sastec on the elbows, hips are available, knees, plenty of space for your timber sliders. Hexagonal humpage on the back, I want to focus on that in a second. Nice little stretch panel through the top, air circulation system down the back. A bargain for your 704 olds, right? But what's coming in new? What's things? Everybody's going on about airbags, airbags. Well, we've done one airbag video, so we might as well tell you about the 2 variants or even 3 variants we've got for airbags that we kind of told you about. Firstly, clipping one that goes into all the new stuff. Secondly, we actually saw a guy wearing one of these at Brands Hatch. It's an air vest. Let's be honest, and be brutally honest and Held, we are honest. This isn't going to be the most flattering product on the racetrack if you wear it over your suit. But it does come in black. But the key with this is obviously if you put this, which is a solid unit, comes with a C back protector already in it, over the top of the hump it's going to burst out. It's going to be no good for man the beast. So what did we do? Everybody thinks that our vests are somebody else's vests. They're not. We just use their mechanism. So here you'll find it's got a zip here, little Velcro section here. It's got a zip here. This whole panel comes out, look. We don't need that. We'll get rid of it. Why? Because then this will sit, if I just undo it and show you real quick, it sits over the hump, people, so the hump comes through the hole. So when you put it on, like so, so it's on. You can see the hole in the back where the hump would be. Looks stealthy in black. You know, it's comfy, it's got the neoprene sections on it. This sits over here like so. It's easy to change the canister. It's encased. Canister's there, a way to go. You strap that to the motorcycle, £30 a strain. Oh! And there's me, sliding down the track. Amazing, look. Get up, walk away. And that is your way of getting a cheaper airbag race suit without having to spend thousands upon thousands of pounds. You want to know more about it? Held Rider Equipment or Held Dealers? Ask the question. See you later.